Hello guys, I am Poulami Ganguly and welcome to my YouTube channel Aapke LIG. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from me. So today's video is all about skincare and skincare. It includes products that you can use for your skin and body as well. If you use the right skincare, you do not need anything else. Your skin will talk for itself. But as we know that skincare can sometimes be a little pricey, so today I have for you all 5 such products that won't dig a hole in your pocket but are super affordable and super effective on your skin. So without wasting any more time, let's start. So the first product on my list is the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Visibly Flawless Skin Face Wash for all skin type. So this one is super affordable. It's priced at rupees 150 and you get such a big tub. It is 150 ml for 150 rupees. It has 2 other sizes. One is a smaller one which is very affordable. I think it's around 60 or 70, and there is a bigger tub as well. But this one lasts for quite some time, and if you are the only one using this product, it's going to last you for at least 2 months or more, and if others are also using, it will still last you more than 1 month. So this one, the moment you are applying this on your skin, you can actually see that glow on your face. It's glowing. It clearly removes all the dirts and all the pollutants from your skin, and your skin is actually visibly flawless. So this one looks this one gives you a very good glow. It's affordable and it has small granules in it, so it will be mildly scrubbing your face as well. Hence I'll recommend you to use it only once a day, since you don't want to be too harsh on your face all the time. Although it's a daily face wash, but since still once a use is recommendable. And the other thing is that even it suits dry skin, normal skin type, and also acne prone, oily skin. If you have acne prone skin, I know you might be just little too worried what to use and what not to, but this one suits perfectly. I have combination skin type which is prone to acne. As you all can see, I have bumps here and there, and I still use it, and I really like this one. And also, this affordable product is free from all types of harmful chemicals, SLS and parabens. It's really safe to be used on the skin, so it's highly recommended from my end. Moving on to my next favorite product is from the brand Lakme, and that is Lakme's Lip Love Lip Balm. It has 6 other variants, total 7 variants. This one is the caramel one. So it moisturizes your lips quite well, stays for quite some time, and also it has SPF 15 in it. That is so amazing. I really love lip balm that has SPF in it, since you really don't want to expose your lips to the sun without having any SPF, and this one is so good. It does its job quite well. You can just apply it beneath your lipstick and it stays there. It doesn't make your lips look greasy or chappy or your lipsticks look too glossy. So I think this lip balm is really good. It does the job, moisturizes your lips well, and it lasts for so long. I think it's never going to end only. Moving on to the next product is the Nykaa's Hand and Nail Cream. This one is a French on lavender honey. I think there are more 7 or 8 variants. So guys, this one is priced for rupees 275. So I really like this. I really love pampering my hands with some extra love. I know you might be just thinking the body lotion is going to do it for you, but no. Your hands need little extra care, and especially during this situation when the COVID outbreak, and you are always sanitizing your hands or always washing it with the soap, and that makes your hands really rough and it can just dry up so easily. So using a hand cream is so essential. Also, it's so travel friendly. You can take it with you anywhere you want. It has a beautiful smell, and also it gives a very slight glow to your hands. It not only makes your hands soft, it also makes them a little glowy. It looks really beautiful and elegant, and you are just going to love it, the effect that it gives. So I really love this one, and I think it's highly recommended. You should be using this, and so it's just so good. I just can't describe how much I love this cream. The next one is this is the Vedic line foot massage cream, and it is priced at rupees 175. It has beeswax and neem oil in it. Again, the same reason, I like pampering my feet also a lot more. Even after that, using body lotion, sometimes you don't feel your feet is looking that smooth or softer, so you need that foot cream at that point of time. And also after a heavy long day when you have done so much work and you're so tired, if you're using this cream, it also gives you a very relaxing feeling. It relaxes your muscles, calms you down, and you can have a really good night's sleep. And it is also very affordable, guys. It is priced at just rupees 175 for 100 ml. It's a big tub. As you can see, I am just left with this much, but I have been using this for quite a long time. I really like this one. It makes my feet so soft, and usually during the winters when your feet turns out a little whitish and something like that, it will take care of that too. And the best part about this is also it will protect you from cracked heels. It really smoothens them out and also helps you not to form cracks on your heels. So, but this contains petroleum jelly. I know a lot of people think that it's not good for the health, but for your feet or for your hand or this cuticles and all that, petroleum jelly is just fine. So this product, you should be trying it out. It's available on Nykaa and it's really good. The next and the final product of today's list is the Avon's Feeling Fresh. It's not even written, it's a roll-on actually. You know, during the summer when it's so hot, before applying any perfume or anything, like it's at times perfume and the sweat, it mixes up and it gives such a weird smell. Or I know smell is very subjective to people. Some might just love that fragrance, others might not. But this one is really good. This one you can just apply it underarms, and it really controls the sweat. Keeps you fresh for all day long. It's written that it keeps you it keeps you really fresh for 48 hours. I do not agree, not 48 hours, because of course you're going to take bath and everything, but it keeps you warm for the longest period of time. It's affordable. It is just it costs only 199 rupees, and it lasts for quite some time. I really like this one. It actually gives you a fresh feeling and controls your body odor, keeps you fresh for all day long. So you can just go for this one. You're just going to love it. So with that, we come to the end of the video. We have talked about some products you can be used on the skin, on your face, and on your body as well. So with that, our top 5 skincare under rupees 300 comes to an end. There are other products also available that are super good, and I might be making a video later on. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share. That is just going to motivate me so much. And also, if you have any doubts, do let me know down in the comment section below. And also do not forget to say hi on my Instagram profile. Thank you.